Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your Android update failed. So here are steps for your phone which won't start after update and recovery. Fix 1. Restart your phone. Press and hold the power button, tap on restart. After the phone restarts, try installing the update again. Fix 2. Check your internet connection. Connect to a stable Wi Fi network. Avoid using mobile data for large updates. Restart your Wi Fi router if the connection is unstable. Fix 3. Charge your phone. Most Android updates require the battery to be at least 50% or the phone to be plugged into a charger. Fix 4. Free up storage space. Go to Settings, select Storage, delete unnecessary apps, photos, videos, or downloaded files. Ensure you have several gigabytes of free space before retrying the update. Fix 5. Check for the update again. Open Settings, go to Software Update or System and select System Update. Tap Check for Update. Download and install the update if it's available. Fix 6. Clear the software update cache if available. Go to Settings, select Apps, and tap the three-dot menu and select Show System Apps if needed. Find Software Update, System Update, or Download Manager. Tap on Storage and go to Clear Cache. Restart your phone and try the update again. Fix 7. Remove the downloaded update and re-download it. If your phone provides this option, delete the failed update package and download it again from Settings and select Software Update. Fix 8. Update using a computer. Samsung Smart Switch like Google Pixel Repair Tool, Xiaomi Mi PC Suite, which is supported by many models, and other manufacturers' specific update tools. Fix 9. Reset network settings. Go to Settings, select System, and then go to Reset Options. Tap on Reset Wi Fi and Mobile and Bluetooth. Reconnect to Wi Fi and try the update again. Fix 10. Factory Reset, which is the last resort. Back up your important data. Go to Settings, select System, and then go to Reset. Select Erase All Data and Factory Reset. Set up your phone and try installing the update again. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.